Hey everyone, welcome back to codebyunknown. In this video, we are going to write and run our first Java program. If you followed my last video and installed Java and Visual Studio Code, you are all set to go. Open your Visual Studio Code. After opening the Visual Studio Code, let us create a folder to store all the Java files that we'll be writing and learning in the following videos. For that, here click on this Explorer icon and click on the open folder. Choose the drive where you want to create the new folder and click on the new folder button. Let us name this new folder as core Java. Here our folder has been created and now we are set to write our first Java program. Now let us create a Java file. For that, click on this icon and let us name our first Java file as hello. And also remember that every file in Java will be saved with an extension of .java, and it is a good practice for everyone to start the name of the file with a capital letter. Let us start writing our first Java program. But before that, if you already had any programming knowledge, you might know how to console the output. For example, in Python, we just write print hello. This will give you the hello as an output in your console. But in Java, we will be having a print statement as System.out.println. Oh, but again here we see some of the syntax errors. This is because in Java everything is treated as an object. So for programming in Java you need to know some of the concepts like classes, objects and etc., which is known as object oriented programming. For now, let us create a class named hello and keep the system.out.print statement inside it. Imagine this class as a container where we store all the statements related to our program. But here again we find some of the syntax errors. This is because the Java program requires a main method from where the Java compilation will start. For now, let us remember this line: public static void main, and let us move this system.out.print inside the main method. And now almost all the syntax errors has been vanished, but there is a syntax error at the end of the print statement. This is because in Java every statement ends with a semicolon. Let us keep a semicolon here and see all the syntax errors has been vanished. Here you might be confused what is this class hello and why the public static void main method is required to run Java programs. But for now there are two tips you have to remember. But the class hello acts as a container which stores all the statements of your program, and the public static void main method is used by the Java compiler to identify where the program execution need to be started. Now let us compile and execute our Java program. For that, open the new terminal here, and as we discussed in our previous classes, for the compilation of Java program we use the command javac and the file name hello.java is our file name. Let us see here the Java file has been successfully compiled and a class file has been created. Here this class file is the bytecode. Now we need to execute our Java file. For that we will be writing the command as java hello. Here we see the hello has been printed. Here the name of the class must be always similar to the name of the file. If the name of the class and the name of the Java file is different, it will be difficult for compiling and execution of the Java program. Let me explain with an example. Here we save the file as hello.java, but we write the class name as hello world. Now we delete this class file and try compiling the Java file that we have created. Now again the Java class file has been created successfully, but for the execution of the Java file, let us write the previous command java hello. It will give an error as could not find or load the main class hello. Since we changed the name of the class file to hello world, so for the execution also we have to give the class name as hello world. Hello world. See, we get output as hello when we change the name of the class in the terminal as hello world. So it is important to keep the name of the class file and the Java file similar. Now let's try changing the print statement. Let us compile the Java file again. It is compiled successfully. Let us execute it. It is consoled as hello code by unknown. Now go ahead and make it say your name, favorite movie or anything funny. So far we have created a Java file and wrote first Java program and compiled it and also executed it. In the next video we are going to discuss about what is meant by class and why public static void main is required for execution of the Java program.